Hello, this is Mike Koenigs, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tools. It's called Skitch. It's up on the screen right now. I'm going to show you how it is super useful and how I use it to, basically build my software company and actually run my company and as a communications tool. Now, if you want to know, you can go get it at skitch.com. If you're a Windows owner or Windows user, I'm sorry about that, buy a Mac. Oh, I'm just kidding. But there is an alternative product called Snagit, which is another product that's very, very good. There's also Snagit for the Mac, but I'm going to show you why I like Skitch so much right now, and I'm going to put it in very practical terms. So basically what Skitch is, it's a screen capture utility that lets you annotate. And I'm going to give you an example. We're looking right now at a squeeze page. It's one of the promotions I'm actively involved in. I'm a participant in, too, with my good friend Pam Hendrickson. And what we could do right now is you'll see how I'm going to select this window, and I'm going to give you a practical real-world sample of something that frankly I don't like on pages. Is I have a little bit of a typography background, and anytime we're building a squeeze page, I don't like it when we have something called a widow. That's when there's one word all by itself on the screen. And if I needed to communicate with the programmer and say, fix this, I could just draw these arrows over here and then grab my little type tool and say, please remove the widows. Okay? And from here, when I click on share, it basically uploads that file, and then I can actually grab that picture and send it out. Well, the other thing I could do is if I wanted to send an email from, let's say, my email program, and I could send it to one of my programmers. So if this was my programmer's email address, I'd say, please fix this thing that drives me nuts, okay? All right, and then I could just drag this picture right in here, and it's simple as that. They'd have a picture that they could now work from and know, get rid of this thing. So the whole deal is I literally make tons and tons of pictures and emails all day long that just annotate little things. And maybe if I were talking to my editors, I might also add something else here. So let's say, for example, I bring Skitch back and I notice that my hair looks funny. I might put something on here. It says, let's see, put an arrow and say, color correct my hair. All right. Or over here I might say something else. I'll grab another tool and grab a pointer, and you can see the pointer's colors can be changed. I can make it green instead, and I'd maybe say over here I might make my text a little bit smaller. Okay, and I'd say make this button orange. Okay. So, the other thing that I love about this is very frequently I might be in a situation where someone will say, hey, I need a snapshot, I need a picture of something. So, maybe I just need to send this logo, but it has to be a specific size. So I'm going to do a screen capture right now and select just this small area of a logo. Okay. And so there it is. And you can see down here it says that the size is 290 by 172 pixels. Well, I could actually shrink this down, and they'd say, well, I need a logo that's no bigger than 200 pixels. So I could just squeeze it until it's 200, and then I could crop it a little bit, get rid of some of that. And then now I can give it a name, and I can call it MML logo, and I'd say 200 by 116, which is the dimension size. Now if I wanted to, I could drag that to the desktop, or I could drag it into my email program very easily. So I'll do that for you right now. Right now there's the file. It's a file that I could email or upload, or I could again go over here, click on the share button. Now it's uploading it, and they host stuff for free for you. And in a moment, it's actually going to give me a link, and I could just send someone that link. So here's my image page link, and I can also go there. Okay, so I'll show you that cute little critter right here. I'm going to it. and it gives you all sorts of options. You can put it on Twitter, you can put it on Facebook, you can actually have a direct image link. Okay, it gives you the HTML copy that you can drop inside on any website or whatever you want, and there's the actual file right there, cropped, sized, and stored, that you can drop in anywhere. So now you know why I love Skitch so much. I have found it to be an incredibly useful, easy to use program, and it's free. And our friends over at Evernote just bought the company, which means it's even getting better. So that's the little tip of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you head on over to MakeMarketLaunch.com if you've ever wanted to create a product before. That's what this whole program is all about. Looking forward to seeing you in the next training video. Bye-bye.